Hagajing punya cakamat ikajing kaket halor kajing yap Trophimos. Superintendent kiplet ke district East Castle sudah Vivek Siem ula pensyai di bor pulet kidang at ka kaipot jang post mortem bantit dikenai ke daw penrai ke belak penlong i uban kla. Kene kajing pensyai kalami hadian bagi bor magistrate Penursla subdivision rengkat kipulet bat ki doktor ke penlong ya kajing Khlong biang ya kamet yap Trophimos haka kat patrik ujemang arhaja unriu. Na ke benta bende ya ke post mortem. Lale kene benlap ke Jingshahbom ke badai halor ke Jingshahbom ba Trophimos udah syasyo hadu bendayap ba udah syasyo orang ba snong bagi dekat ke VDP ke snong penter. Habe keren halor kene uba Vivek Siem le tu ba haga Jingshahbom labo ya ka khat santarik jong nai jemang ban Khlong ya kemet yap nang banyak ban le ke post mortem. Ndai nama ke Jing snio kusun beneng lapun kenri ano syaka khat pratarik jemang. Ulah kedauru bagamet yap lahudha namar meladap shibna hitam nadu kanyo terik guna yayong. Penban ki kami lenti bagai ke jingle post mortem kan ai ya ka sakhi ke basai kalau kedau jo ke jingyap. La ulah syap yap ni ulah yap ni ke pat kidau. Ulah pensha syo bahadin balayo ke report ki pulit kin sa syem kerai la kadan kam ne am ujor ki yang syari. Ban pendam no ke jingyo ya ke anticipatory bail Jongu 13 akan no dan keti. Superintendent ki pulet ki East Castle ule thoru bakajing toket kerang ya cekmat ban pejisha la kajing yap kadai na kano kadau. Nre ulong babantip tikena la kajing syasyo kadai na kajing syap nyap ne ula pen mensawi la de onsa shine la yo ya ka kaipot jeng post mortem. Ki pulet kidang toket benia aru na barok kiliang kentop bega video ke belasa priang bagi Jingshahbom ni gibriu ke bedan dengan kejaka bantip ke Jingshahbom. La ban penkan mahong ne Bado mental dan kat wingut kibriu ke belayo ya ke anticipatory bail. Laban krau ruhang ne baik ni kejing ujor ejahar lalet ukpa jong Trophimos persyai dikot ke VDP bad urang ba snong ke penter. Haka ba udah keno bekila syok yu kunju hadu ba unda klat no.
Postmortem was done on the spot. We will await the report, the postmortem report to ascertain whether the person was murdered or whether it was or whether he died from a natural cause. Thereafter, we will take a call whether we to move court for cancellation of the bail, and thereafter cause arrest. It's been since the 7th of April, so it is decomposed. But let us hope we will get some clues on the cause of death. Investigation is still on to actually really ascertain whether the assault by VTP, yes, it is a fact that some assault had taken place due to an altercation and issue which happened in that household where the VTP and the headman had to interfere. But we are to ascertain whether the assault caused the death or whether it was self-inflicted and or it was a natural cause. That will all be clear after the post-mortem report is out. All angles to the case, right from the video, people who were there, we are trying to ascertain more witnesses into the case, and thereafter come to a conclusion and whether these people are guilty or not. And 11 people have taken anticipatory bail. That means their involvement is surely there. Other witnesses who were bystanders or who were present on the spot, we are trying to ascertain that because they become independent witnesses to the case.
Lily, Khlong.
Kanda pi tharai kan ni kapisa. Kali jauh na kan ni? Ba, ka hospital tinggal aja kan nang ni.
Binti aswa hang ni hadu nda de por kamu. What was laitan?
Sister, hap siu kat nama?
Ka sarkar kala siulut ikijing lut jing separo. Namar man ka way pa ka way ka minsim ka long ka bakordor.